To show you what I got going on today, I got this piece of metal. It's just a piece like you would put roof material, basically. And that is going to go right in here, in between these two. You can see I got this piece put in. Had to extend it just a little bit, but it's in. And got some pieces put around here to kind of frame up around the wheel well and give that a little bit more strength all the way across. This actually is aluminum, so I had to screw it on. I didn't have any more angle, so I kind of forgot that I needed that. But anyway, that's not important. The important part is I'm getting ready to put the shelf piece in here. Once I do that, then I'm going to start on putting the bedside on. So let's see what we got. Okay, got the metal in. Got a toolbox sitting in here. This is going to be about the size of some of them that's going to be in here, but I could put bigger ones, as you can see. Or I could put these and then have tools scattered around it. Don't really matter. But it can slide all the way down to there, and it still has enough room. But there's the floor of that shelf. So now everything's ready except for starting the bedsides. Putting the bedsides on. I mean, I'm going to do the back piece later, a little later on probably. The bedsides are next. Okay, as you can see, here is the bedside. It has a seam, of course, in the middle. No other way that I can get it without buying the whole bedside, which was way too expensive. But this will accomplish our task. It's the same thing that I got for the other side. The problem is they don't sell the front, oddly enough, of the short wheelbase bed. Seems kind of strange to me, but they don't. Now, you can see how much difference that there is in the short and long wheelbase vehicle. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to mark that. That's going to be our cut line. About there. We may go back from it just a little. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to take this and move it back and weld it back in there. It will actually make the whole thing a lot stronger too. So, all right, let's see what we can do. Okay, here I have a piece of metal, pretty good thick stuff, and a piano hinge. This is going to be the hinge system for the side box here, toolbox. basically that's kind of got it tacked up for now, just so I can see how it's going to work. It's actually a lot lighter. Almost tempts me to make 2 doors on each side, but that kind of defeats the stealth thing, you know, because you're not going to have a stealth toolbox if you got a seam down the middle of the truck. But okay, so right now it is only temporarily tacked on, so I don't want to tack it permanently until I get my distances right this way, because if not, you'll end up with a bow or a dip in your whole bedside. So we'll stick another part on there and see what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to do this front part. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Of course, we got the hinges. Focus in. There we go. Got all these hinges. I'm going to have to weld all the way across on this, all the way across on there, fill in there something. I have to weld all the way up through here too. I got it welded on the other side, but I'm going to weld this side too to make it stronger. And I will probably in here, I will probably put some kind of gussets. Probably. See, I'll have to end up leaving enough room for them to come down and miss this. And I'll have to remember where they're at. So when I put my toolbox, it doesn't hit my gussets. But I'm going to have to gusset right here. Probably right here. There. And I would say right here. Okay, show you what I've ended up doing here. Welded all the way up through here on the inside, and I got these little pieces of this rod right here, and I just cut pieces of them and put them on here for like gussets. I guess more a gusset would really be more like this, or a triangular piece of metal, but I'm trying to save all the space in the toolbox I can, but I want my lid to be strong too. So I've got these pieces. Let's see if you can get a better shot of them here. I've got those welded in here. 4 of them. 3 and 4. And you can see everything is working so far. Let me set the camera down and I'll demonstrate. Okay, the bedside is up. Toolbox is open, of course. I'm going to put the toolbox down. There it is. Got a little more work to do. I gotta put some more strengthening in it and all that, but it's coming along. Yep. Looks like a bedside. I've went all the way up and down through here also with the welds, and this is solid. Of course, I'm going to have to put filler in. There's no way to get around that. But we have a bedside on there now, and it's straight. Yeah. If you do this job on any truck, you know, you decide to do this, one important thing is make sure that you get this straight across here. Because if you don't, it'll never look right. But I guess that's going to probably do the little video for today. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.